Hi, this is Mark at Dingdong's Garden. This is Big White Mulberry, and it is big, and it's a good mulberry. In fact, it's very productive. You can see look at all this fruit here, and it's actually, our pruning method we were going to try for is to have a lot of leaders coming out of a short trunk. You can see that here. But the problem with that was that they'll bend down if it's a incredibly productive variety like this. All the branches are kind of bent down, so I have to kind of support them until we get a chance to prune it this year. I mentioned this in another video, Sophie's Fave video, that these big white varieties like Big White, Sophie's Fave, Tehama, they all exhibit a similar property where when it's white, you can eat it. When it's just bright white like this, you can eat it and it's good. But last week we were doing some taste testing and harvesting for the market, and you can kind of see where it turns lavender here. That's when it's really ripe, and it is good. It is good. I had against white mulberries for a while because they don't have that tartness that you get in the darker colored mulberries, but I am pleasantly surprised with how good this is. So it's definitely on our table at the farmer's market from now on. When we have this, we'll put it out for people to try. This is Big White Mulberry, very similar to Tehama, to Sophie's Fave. If you have one of them, you probably don't need the others. Huge fruit, very productive. And if you let it push through to this kind of lavender color in there, it's got a great taste to it.